All right, welcome to our helpful hints on Tuesday. The first one is intensive pronouns. We already learned about pronouns. However, intensive pronouns is when we add ourselves or selves. So you don't need to help her because she can do it what? Well, our antecedent is she or her, so we need to add a pronoun and then add self or selves to it. Which of the following can be interpreted? Well, interpreted means to take differently. Maybe one person understands it one way, another person understands it another way. So, kind of like your text messages. Maybe sometimes you think people are yelling at you when they're actually not. So, what are some things that can be interpreted? And actually, this one only has one correct answer. For number 3, we're looking for words that have circum in it. So you should think of words that mean around, that have circum in it, and find at least 3, or think of 3 in our line below. Number 4 is our vague pronoun. Nigel and Mario took the twins to the park and they didn't want to go home. Well, vague means it's unclear. So when you're reading this, where's our pronoun that's unclear? Well, first, all you need to do is go through and find your pronouns. Well, the only pronoun is they. So this has to be our unclear pronoun. So then you need to decide who is they. Is it the twins? Is it Nigel and Mario? And then take it out and replace it to make it more clear. And number 5, a stone is a type of pebble. So which one has the same relationship? Is bass a type of minnow? Is car a type of truck? Is a lion a type of cheetah? Or is a dictionary a type of novel? All right, good luck.